Hey, what is up, guys? Today we're working on a 2011 Jeep Compass. Problems we have is we have the ABS light on and also the traction light on. When I plug in the machine to read the codes, this is the code that comes up. Let me show you. It's the C1015 code, which is right front wheel speed sensor. I'm going to show you how to replace it, and hopefully we get rid of those two lights. Let me show you how the sensor looks. So this is the sensor right here. Link will be down in the description if you want to purchase it from Amazon. But yeah, I'm going to show you how to replace it. Let me just give you a little info on what to do. So first we have to pick up the car, remove the tire, and then I'll show you what we have to do from there. Okay, once you pick up the car, remove the tire, make sure you put a jack stand for safety. Let me show you where the ABS sensor is. So it's on the passenger side, as you can see, passenger side, front. And this is the sensor right here. Really easy to remove. That's a 10mm socket right there. And I'm gonna show you where it goes. So it goes all the way there. Let me see, it connects right here. We have to remove this right here, but it's simple. So now, once you remove this, let's go here and I'll show you where it is. Okay, so it's this one right here. I don't know if you guys can see good. Let me see, I'll give you better. Let me see. Okay, that's it right there. This one. Mine is loose, but yours most probably is held by this clip right here, but you can just pull it out. You see that little red clip? You have to pull it out and then press and pull, and it should come out. So I'll show you how to do that later. Okay, let's remove the sensor. I'm gonna put my phone here. Hopefully you guys can see good. Right there. Let me see, right there. So using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove it. And let's try to wiggle it out. If it doesn't come out, you can use a small flathead screwdriver and pry it open. Okay, there it goes. It's out. Really dirty. Now, using a 13mm socket, we're going to remove this bolt right here and this bolt right there. Okay, they're both out and they're both the same size. Okay, now we have to remove this one right here. So let's try to pull a little bit, and then we can put a flathead screwdriver. Let's see. There, it comes out. Okay, now on this side, let's see if we can open it with this. Let me see. Okay, there you go. Okay, now we're gonna get the sensor from this side. I don't know if I'll be able to give you guys a good angle to see. I'll try my best. Let me see if we can zoom out. Let me see if I can. So that's the sensor right here. You don't have a lot of space here to do it. Let's see. So you see that little red clip? You have to push it down. Let me see if I can do it with. I'm gonna grab a flathead screwdriver. Okay, there we go. Okay, I took it off. I used my right hand on this side to press the little clip, and then using my left hand I pull the cable. So just letting you guys know. But as you can see, oops, that's the hole right there. That's what she said. And we're going to remove the sensor from that hole right there. Hello. Okay, we can remove the old sensor. All right, now get the new sensor. We're gonna put it around here. Just put it inside. There we go. Now, before we connect anything here, let's connect the sensor from up there. Okay, so that's the new sensor. Let me see if I can do it with one hand, which is going to look difficult. Okay, there you go. Sorry for the bad angle, guys, but it's a little bit pain in the ass. Oh, sorry. It's a little bit of pain in the butt to replace. But yeah, so there you go. Make sure you connect the clip here where it goes. I'm not gonna connect mine. It's already there. I don't know if you can see. So I'm just gonna leave it here, just like that. Okay, now over here, let's connect this. There you go. All right, now you can connect this clip right here. You just align it and push it right there. This one goes like this. Hold on. Okay, now this one, let me fix the camera. It goes under here, then you pull it here. And there. Okay, now let's install the sensor. Okay, perfect. Nice and tight. Everything looks perfect. Now this piece for me was broken, but I assume yours goes right here, but I'm just gonna leave it like that because I can't, there's something inside here that I can't. I'll just leave it like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Now just put the tire back on. Now a thing that I forgot to mention is the red clip right here. Make sure you push it all the way in. Let me zoom in. That the red clip right there, make sure you press it so you can lock it. So, all right, I'm gonna put the tire back on and then turn on the car and see how it goes. All right, I already replaced the sensor. Let's turn on the car and see. I assume you have to drive the car for the lights to go out. So let me see. Yeah, the light's still there. I'm gonna drive the car maybe for 2 minutes, see if the light goes off. If not, then I'm gonna use this tool to clear the codes. Let's see how it goes by me driving it. Hopefully they go out on their own. I might speed up the video here. Okay, I'm gonna go around the block maybe twice. Oh, there you go. Okay, so the ABS light got off. You see, no more ABS. Now we still have the traction light on. I'm not sure why. Let's try pressing this button. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on there. But yeah, I mean, the ABS is fixed. As you can see, the light is off. I'm not sure why we still have the traction. Maybe there's something else going on. Also, my steering wheel, it's a little bit to the left when I drive it, so it needs an alignment. I'm not sure if that's why the light is on, but so far the ABS is fixed. No more ABS light. That's good. You can see I'm driving straight, but the steering wheel is facing at 11 o'clock. All right, guys, just a little quick update. Remember how I had the traction light on? So I don't have it anymore because I took the car to get an alignment. I have the paper here. You can see it's all red, and they fixed it. Now my steering wheel is not aiming at 11 o'clock anymore. Now it's straight. It's at 12 o'clock. So I got it. I got an alignment. I drove the car maybe for like a mile, and then the light turned off on its own. So now my car is driving perfectly fine. It's not pulling to one side. Everything is perfect, and no more lights. So I'm happy about that. So just wanted to keep you guys updated, and thank you for watching. See you.